It used to. It doesn't. It hasn't been doing today. Oh, it has.
Hey.
There we go.
There you go. Look, tell me I'm wrong, Steve.
Oh yeah.
Tell me I'm
It does.
It does.
Whee! It's a long drop, that, isn't it? It's better than croc drop.
Yeah. I kind of forgot what it was supposed
What
to
can
be.
you say? You even hate these rides. What you can use it?
I see what you mean.
It does, doesn't it?
Although it looks like that coaster's going to have to move. Woo!
Little butterfly.
Is Eden enjoying it? Yeah. More than me, I hate drop towers.
Yeah, you're the one who's been made to go on it.
The golf course.
Woo! Woo!
This ride's a real long cycle.
That's got a long cycle. New building there as well for the Vikings.
Oh, that, I didn't even notice that.
I think that was a toilet block before.
Go-karts, isn't it?
That was go-karts down there, yeah. It was a big one.
That is a big cycle, though, isn't it?
Very young for us.
Woo!
Oh, I enjoyed it. Really good.
Oh boy, that was good.
I enjoyed that. Good shout.
You
Yeah.
take your seatbelt off.
Nice views up at the top.
Beautiful.
You take your
I
seatbelt off.
do really. I'm like obsessed with this part.
That was that good.
No, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh boy, that was good.
Yeah.
And like what I was saying in the station, it's not just to show you that to be such an intense coaster. It's got 14 inversions to be a great coaster.
Exactly.